Okay, so first part, binomial expansion of this, well, the formula is in the formula book, but it will equal, so I've got 2x plus 5 to the power 4 equals, first off I'll start with all of the first one, and then plus 4c1 of 3 of the first one, times by 1 of the second, plus 4c2, 2x squared, number 5 squared, plus 4c3, 2x times 5 cubed, and finally last one is all of them, 5 to the power 4. And that gives me, I'd rather work out 4c1s and everything, I'm going to use Pascal's triangle, so 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. That's my list I've got. So the first one is going to be 16x to the power 4 plus 4 times by 8x cubed times by 5, plus the next one will be 6 times by 4x squared times by 25, plus back down to 4 times 2x times 125, and finally 625. And I can put that together, 16x to the power 4 plus that's 160x cubed, plus that's 100, that's 600x squared, plus 4, that's 1000x plus 625. 4 marks. Take your time. 2, I've got to do this value, which I just got, and take away when I put in minus 5. And if I put in minus 5, this one will stay the same, so that will still be 16x to 4. This one's got 5, so that'll become minus 160x cubed. That'll be plus 600x squared. This one I've got 3 of the 5s, so that'll be minus 1000x. And last one got even number of this, so that will still remain 625. And so now when I subtract those, I will get nothing in the beginning. 160 minus minus makes 320x cubed. X squares disappear. 1000 minus minus will make plus 2000x, and that's, well, it leave me nothing at the end. So that's what I'll get for of k. K equals 2000. It needs, I need to state it. Better state it then. Verify that 2 is the root of that, so put it all onto one side, and that gives me, I just worked it out, 3, it's part 3, 320x cubed plus 2000x equals 3680x minus 800. Put it onto one side, that gives me 320x cubed minus 1680x plus 800 equals 0. And when x equals 2, we get 320 times by 8 minus 1680 times by 2 plus 800, that equals 0. Therefore, x minus 2 is a factor. Oh, and x equals 2 is a root. And it now says, I'm probably going to do it here, it now says find the other possible values. So I need to then factorize, find the other factor. So I'm going to do it this way, grid method, because it basically keeps track of what I've got to try and do. So I know one factor is x minus 2, and the first term has got to be 320x cubed, so I'm going to have to, the other one factor will have to certainly be 320x squared, because this bit times by the x gives me that. But it'll also give me minus 640x squared. I don't want that. In fact, I don't want any x squareds, so this is going to have to be 640x squared. So that bit will have to be plus 640x for that times x times this to give me that. but that also gives me minus 1280x. I don't want minus 1280x, I want minus 1680, so I need to have minus 400x extra. And to do that, that obviously needs to be minus 400, and minus 400 times minus 2 gives me plus 800, and that's my check, so I know I'm right. And so now I've got my other factor is 320x squared plus 640x minus 400 equals 0, because that's my other factor. Divide by 10, 32x squared plus 64x minus 40 equals 0. 8 goes into both those, so 4x squared plus 8 doesn't go into it, plus 8x minus 5 equals 0. Well, hopefully it'll factorise. It's going to have to be 4 and 1, put the x's in, or 2 and 2. If I put 4 and 1, let's get 1 and 5. It's got to be 1 and 5 at the end. One's positive, one's negative. Won't be 4 and 1, so let's try 2 and 2. That's going to be better. So let's put a 5 in there, 1 in there. That gives me 10x, but I want to have plus x, so that's going to be plus there. I want to have minus 2x, so it's going to be like that. So therefore that will say that either 2x minus 1 equals 0, or 2x plus 5 equals 0, because something times something is 0. So that one x is add 1, that'd be a half, or take away 5, so x will be minus 5 over 2. And that'll be the second answer. And that's it. That's question 10 and the whole paper done.